Hey guys, so finally got this car, you know. So I'm gonna testing anyways. I hope you guys like it. So this is the real car. I don't have a cover. Andre got a BMW. Let's do it, Andre.
So Sami is going to show you the best dash camera for today, Xiaoyi camera. So let's open that box and see what's inside.
Okay.
But
E-dash camera.
yeah, E-dash camera.
Because this is not official, so it's plain, total plain, white. Looks like a apple, but it's not. In official release, it will has the beautiful
box with information.
Yeah,
right?
with the information specifications on this.
So we've got here a gold color, right?
Yeah, with good color.
Okay, well, what color is there else? Silver? Black?
Space gray.
Oh, space gray.
Okay, this is the camera itself, and you can shoot at 2K, the max resolution.
2K.
And the lens is 165 degree, even wider than the E-action camera.
Yeah, that's pretty wide.
Yeah. And pretty high definition. So also this 3.5 meters cable
To plug in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
So also this
That's just connector, yeah, right?
Yeah,
you can stick it to the window.
Yeah.
Or the car.
In the official release, they just add another one just to make sure stick firm. 3M, you know. That's
Yeah, understand.
Yeah. And also nothing. This
one more
the
cable.
Lighter.
No.
Lighter.
Lighter, yeah.
Just plug in. So that's it.
And SD card, right?
No. SD card it doesn't have. It
not
doesn't come
supplied.
with. It's not supplied. Because I'm a tester of them, so they just gave away this.
But you know, I heard that there will be two versions you can buy.
Yeah. Of
Xiaoyi.
course, sure.
Just basic version or with SD card, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what else?
So Sami, can you tell us why, for example, shall I buy this dash camera rather than another one? Why is it so special, you think?
Yeah, I think the first is because it has high definition 2K, you know. And the second is wide lens. And the third is it has the driving assistant system, you know. When you get into close or when you derive it from the road, it will warn you and remind you, it will beep.
Oh, that's pretty nice function.
But since I don't have a car, I didn't test yet.
Yeah. That's okay. We're gonna
find out.
Test it now.
Yeah. So let's just install this support.
Okay.
So I didn't.
You didn't connect it yet?
Yeah, I didn't. So I guess it's very easy. Yeah, that's
Pretty
it.
easy.
Yeah, that's it. So just this out.
By the way, does it have screen touch?
No,
touch screen. Sorry.
Yeah, not touch screen, but with this all these keys.
1, 2, 3, 4 buttons, right?
Yeah, the for parking and just 2 lights. Okay, it's on.
Okay. Camera is on.
Yeah, it says no battery, so it's close off or off.
Okay.
So let's test it, right?
Okay, time to test it.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's check the.
Yeah, that's too
Is
low.
okay?
Too low, man. Too low.
Slow, then has to pull around a bit. Okay, good.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Wash the window.
Let's go, mate.
Okay.
It's fine.
Wash. Does it really take too much time?
What's the time now?
No, I mean, I want to wash the window too. Yeah, this one is a bit like because of the angle, I guess. See, the angle is totally different. No, I don't. I don't need. I just will need you to send me a computer.
Yeah, sure.
No, I don't. I don't need. I just will need you to send me a computer.
Yeah.